When night falls over Belgrade, the city comes alive. The elegant lights of Knez Mihajlova, the timeless charm of Skadarlija, the sounds of music, laughter, and life around every corner create an atmosphere unlike any other. Tonight, we'll explore the heart of Serbia's capital and experience the magic, energy, and beauty of Belgrade after dark.